For 80 years, NEWPRO Home Solutions has been transforming homes and lives across New England. Today, we're excited to celebrate our legacy and announce our expansion into the Mid-Atlantic region. In 1945, Anthony and Mary Cogliani started a small window treatment shop in Medford, Massachusetts. Their dedication to quality and customer service laid the foundation for what NEWPRO is today. Through 3 generations of family leadership, NEWPRO has grown from a local business to New England's premier home improvement company. We've adapted to changing times, always putting our customers first. Our success comes from our people, skilled craftsmen, innovative designers, and customer service experts who treat every home as if it were their very own. This commitment has earned us the trust of over 300,000 happy homeowners. Our expansion into the Mid-Atlantic region means more homeowners can enjoy our industry-leading products and worry-free, hassle-free service. When you hear NEWPRO, think innovative home solutions, from energy-efficient windows and doors to luxurious bath remodels and more. NEWPRO is your partner in creating the home of your dreams inside and out. As we celebrate 80 years of excellence and embark on this exciting new chapter, we remain committed to our core values. That's quality, efficiency, and attention to detail. We are not just improving homes, we're improving lives one project at a time. NEWPRO Home Solutions, 80 years of trust, now serving New England and the Mid-Atlantic. Contact us today to start your home improvement journey.